Okay guys, so I've just got into IKEA, just close that. And yeah, we're gonna get the storage solution, so I wanna try and finish that. But I'm also gonna split this video into a couple of different parts. So one will be about organization, the other one will be about finding new products that they've got released, which I'm quite excited because this is their new season, so they've got a lot of new things that have come out, so I'll do that in a separate video for you guys as well. So let's get shopping. But first, we need to grab a chai latte. Yeah, I always start off with a coffee type drink beverage. So. Large almond chai latte.
Large almond chai.
Yeah. New product for space that you might need. This is a desk stand, which is really good because then you've got the extra storage inside here. So cables, books, different thing. I think that's a bit better now. You can sort of see what that is. So $35 for this new stand. I think you just pick it up from the workspaces. So this will be really cool because I don't have a lot of storage at the desk area near my workstation. So and then you can just put your keyboard underneath. Okay, and we head downstairs because this is where all the storage stuff is. So today it's more just getting in and out, get it all sorted. IKEA has lots of amazing storage solutions, like this particular one called Kugis. It comes with a box and lid, and it also has this fantastic little insert where you can compartmentalize and put different things in. It comes in lots of different sizes as well. So I have a couple of these at home, which I store like paper and stationery and different things. But as you can see, they've got the different sizes there. It's really nice because it's clean and white, and you can label the front of this so that you have, you know, a really nice architectural designer look. Very clean. This is a new baking style mat. So it's silicone, and you put it inside your tray. So really cool for cooking. So this is called Back Tradition. Another cute product is this product called Sax Borger. Sax Borger on the bathroom bench top, where you can quickly access earbuds, ear wipes, cotton tips, hair clips, whatever you need, all in the one place. So it's really quite a nice product. Another item that I have is this product called Viera, which I actually use at home to store all my pans and trays at home. So another thing you can also use it at home is to maybe store your handbags apart as well in your closet. So that's another idea for you guys to check out. It's only $9.95. Product is this product called Clochran. So this is a silicone mat, which basically you put over any dish, and it creates like a vacuum seal, so you can keep your dish nice and warm, cool, protected from insects. It's pretty good. So yeah, it's used also to splatter in the oven and the microwave. It's $10.99. I gotta get one. So the Clochran also comes in this round version too, round silicone. So you can get them in 29, 25 and 21 centimeters. So it is saying that it is dishwasher, microwave, oven safe and freezing safe. Cool. You put them over your pots and pans and stop the splatter, and you can put them straight into the oven. So that's a really cool feature. These are $14.99 for 3 of them. So that's pretty good. All these are called Vagaren. Vardagen. Yeah, I wouldn't be very good at Danish or Swedish. I think it's Swedish. And it also comes in a mini version too. So you got the litre and then half a litre as well. So again, pretty stylish. Change from your standard Pyrex style of pouring measuring cups. Okay, so another product for organisation, if you're limited on space, is looking at investing at hangers for doors. So back of the door, you put a hanger and then you're able to really utilise and put up some extra things. So I'm most likely going to go for, that's not too bad, probably get this one, the white one. Yeah, the Inuden, and it's reduced, $5, so you can't go wrong with a $5 door hanger. In my case, we have a couple of hoodies or blanket type products, and I will be hanging these on the back of our door because they take up a lot of space in the wardrobe.
Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, leave me a comment, and also subscribe. It's really going to help me out a lot. Until next time, I will see you then. Thanks so much for watching. See ya. Bye.